Yo, what up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Ramsey. Catch me tomorrow, 6th April. I will be at Putarushaka Primary School at Chiawero. So make sure that you come through and turn up with the squad. So I'll be there, and I'm not alone, by the way. Dina Fizi, Mizo, Prefix, Mesk, Mazware, Batondi, and many more. So Revanjing Amanda, make sure that you come through and turn up with us. I'm ready. It's double. I love you so much. And remember, for the ladies, I have something for you.
Yo, what up, it's your boy Fizi 25 Music, all the way from Venda. Yo, ifani manga Saturday yakuda ndaba ndi Putarushaka Primary School up Soweto Chiawelo shikani ma ne supporta Ramsey ne ndaba ndaba na machitango ndaba yone 25 Music Ningambesa zwinje man.
Question Mark Production and online in association with Ramsey Record brings you the first Shower Vibration Festival at Soweto Putarushaka Primary School, Saturday 6th April. Rodi Takalelo Nanga Machiruni Usikara 6 ya usiku ukoliwa mreje ona heri ndo fara Ramsey nizo Fizi 36 Meske Batondi Mazware and Rabele with every time sound on decks. MC Inubu bana bakuku majinaga 40 rand aba bamwe hela bajinaga 8 rand udo tangana Rika Shower Vibration Festival.
Asimatamba ndinyasa dibinyo ni dola late asa shumindi
Shiba shuma.
15 zamachono marasi hondwa kari ola mwana arikwa ngohola ndarikohola ndibugana ndikovapfa hakuna zikotelwa Matuvakorera mpwanga ende mwana mwakuwa mrogo kata maimbe zinene likonga lona. We don't force a horse drink this water. It has come on Bonnier Fair. Tiba kakombe chetu.
Neno kombe chezo ya fareliwa.
Naruko bola nyunya.
Ndo bachifevi.
Tingamshuma nazo.
Texas. More.